Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to confirm email on PayPal on PC. PayPal requires users to confirm their email address to fully activate the account. Confirming your email helps verify that the address belongs to you and allows you to send and receive payments, get notifications and secure your account. So first what you can do is open any of the web browser that you prefer. And once you get into this interface of your web browser, what you can do is in the top there's an address bar, type down paypal.com and enter it, and make sure to log into your account, enter your email address and password and access to your account if you already have. So once you get into this interface of your dashboard of your PayPal, what you can do is in the top right we can find this small setting icon, select there, and under this setting interface on the right hand side we can find this emails here, and which is currently unconfirmed. So simply click onto this three dot icon here and select confirm. So over here what you need to do is you need to confirm your email by signing into Google. Simply select to this confirm with Google, or you can also confirm it with using an email, as I'm going to select with confirm with Google, and choose an account and select continue, and that is it. This is how I can confirm your email on PayPal. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below. We will reach out to you very soon.